Hey YouTubers, I have unboxing of the Taco Bell Big Box Meal. Just got this today, and let's just go ahead and get this done. We have the famous cinnamon twist that Taco Bell has, and of course I had to get my 3 mild sauce, one for every of the whatever these are right here. And if you guys are wondering, yeah, I got this at 11:31 p.m. and it's only $5 at Taco Bell, but with tax it's 10%, so it's $5.50 and 1 drink. And if you guys are wondering what drink I got the Taco Bell Baja Blast 16-ounce drink. And this right here, let's see what the unboxing is right here. Is the Bacon Club. Oh, that looks pretty fucking gross. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand. I don't know what the hell that is. Yeah, okay. So, this right here, of course, is the traditional bean burrito. Wow. And of course, you have your crunchy taco. The traditional one right here. Cinnamon twist, of course, for that already. If you guys are wondering, this is 1,180 calories for this piece of junk. Yeah, I don't know why I ordered this. But the good thing is these things right here. Alright guys, this is just a funny video, so don't even take it for granted.